A New York lawyer submitted a legal brief with 6 case citations. All 6 cases were fake. ChatGPT had invented them, complete with realistic-sounding names, docket numbers, and quotes. The lawyer was fined $10,000 and publicly sanctioned. He trusted the AI. It hallucinated. In 5 minutes, you'll understand exactly why this happens and 5 techniques that actually prevent it. So, what's hallucination? AI hallucination is when a large language model generates text that's confidently stated, but factually incorrect. It's not the AI lying. It doesn't know it's wrong. It's the AI doing what it was trained to do: produce plausible-sounding text. Sometimes plausible-sounding text happens to be true. Sometimes it isn't. The AI can't tell the difference. Why does this happen? Remember, an LLM was trained to predict the next word, not to verify facts, not to know when it's uncertain, just to predict what text is most likely to follow. When you ask about a real case, a real drug, a real regulation, the model predicts what a real answer would look like. If it doesn't actually know, it invents something that looks like an answer. This is especially likely with specific facts: dates, numbers, citations, names, technical details. The more specific the claim, the more likely the hallucination. Not all tasks carry the same hallucination risk. Low risk: summarizing a document you gave it. Low risk: writing in a style. Brainstorming. Drafting. High risk: citing sources without giving them. High risk: specific facts, dates, statistics, legal or medical claims. High risk: anything where you can't easily verify the output. The rule is simple. The more specific and verifiable the claim, the more you need to verify it. Use AI for generation. Verify the facts yourself. Here are 5 techniques that actually reduce hallucination. Technique 1. Ask for sources and check them. Tell the model, for every factual claim, include a citation. Then actually verify each citation. If the model can't find a real source, it'll often admit uncertainty when explicitly asked to cite, or it'll make up a citation, which you can then catch. This doesn't eliminate hallucination, but it creates a verification trail you can follow. Technique 2. Use RAG. Give the AI your facts. Retrieval augmented generation means you provide the AI with the actual documents it needs to answer the question. Instead of answering from memory, it answers from your facts. This is the single most effective technique for reducing hallucination in production applications. We covered RAG in detail in the previous episode, link in the description. Technique 3. Temperature and output constraints. Temperature controls how creative or random the model's output is. Lower temperature means the model sticks to higher probability output, which generally means more conservative, less invented answers. Output constraints help too. Tell the model to say, "I don't know," if it isn't confident, or to only answer questions where it has high confidence. Adding uncertainty language to your system prompt. If you're not certain, say so explicitly. Help surface uncertainty that would otherwise be buried. Technique 4. Verification prompts. After the model gives you an answer, ask it to verify itself. Prompt. Review your previous answer for factual accuracy. Identify any claims you're not certain about and flag them. This sounds redundant, but models often catch their own errors when explicitly prompted to verify. You can also ask a second call. Here's a claim. Is this accurate? What's the confidence level? Two-call verification catches a meaningful share of hallucinations. Technique 5. Human in the loop for high-stakes output. For any output that's consequential, legal briefs, medical advice, financial decisions, public-facing content, a human must review before it ships. AI is a first draft, not a final answer. This isn't about distrust. It's about understanding what LLMs are: powerful generators that can't guarantee factual accuracy. Build your workflows accordingly. Here's the one rule to live by. Trust AI output for generation. Verify AI output for facts. The model is excellent at producing fluent, well-structured, plausible text. It's not excellent at guaranteeing that text is true. Those are different skills, and LLMs were trained for one, not the other. Use AI for speed and structure. Add a verification layer for anything where accuracy matters. That combination is how you get the best of both. That's AI hallucination explained in 5 minutes. Subscribe to AI SkillSprint for one AI concept explained simply every week. Next, what's a vector database and why do you need one to build RAG properly?